Hi, my name is Fred Bohlmann. I'm Tech Support Manager here at GSC, and I've been here since 2017. I studied mechanical engineering at UW-Milwaukee, and after that I followed up with doing some die design at a company called Superior Industries. I lead a team of 6 engineers, and we all have a strong basis inside of SOLIDWORKS and PDM, but individually we all specialize into different areas. My team handles roughly 400 cases a month. 300 of them typically are SOLIDWORKS cases, 100 tend to be PDM, and the rest fall into different categories and specializations. My team can handle cases that come in through phone calls, and we can get the answer to you right away. Some cases will take over a day. We can also handle long-running cases that can go on for several weeks, where we have to escalate to SOLIDWORKS, and we can work with their technical team to get you the solution that you guys need. We really appreciate getting your feedback through the case surveys. We take that data very seriously, and we evaluate any issues and try to improve upon them based on your guys' comments and what you think of our customer service aspect. At the end of the day, my team really values the experience through each and every call. We like to have fun, we like to work hard, and we like to have a good customer experience.